you going, guys? Josh from AllBrand Caravans here. Just get a tip of the day. Today we got this one in here. It's in for a repair for hail damage. But as you can see, a lot of internal water damage due to the lack of care over the years. So this video is just here for you guys. Double check over your caravans, look for any potential leaks or any potential damage, or bring it on down to us. We'll have a free inspection, mate, and we'll go from there and work out what we can do to fix it and make sure you don't get any damage like this one here today. Otherwise, anything else, give us a couple comments and texts on Facebook and we'll answer you back as soon as we can. Cheers, guys.